everybody. So as you know, last night we stayed in Hile, a small town up in the hilly district of eastern Nepal. Yeah, it's supposed to offer amazing views of the Himalayas. We spoke to the owner of our hotel last night and he told us about a place about 7 kilometers out of Hile. Yeah, a bit further north to come and have a look at the view. So we got up this morning, we've driven out here, and he's put us onto something pretty spectacular, I must say. Check this out. So, gonna finish up here. It's been really beautiful. Just chilling out, enjoying the view, listening to the cool tunes. Certainly a way to get yourself going in the morning. But head back to the hotel now and get ready to head off for our next destination today.
You can call me stupid, yes, you can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy, you can say I...
Alright, packed up, paid up. Say goodbye to everyone here at that hotel. I can't pronounce it. Time to hit the road to Ilam. I don't think we'll make it there today, but we'll get as far as we can and then, yeah, find somewhere to stay and see what the road has in store for us.
You think that using her will get to me, and if you're right then you're in trouble, D. Cause I won't break, no I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
Yeah, trucks going down the side of the mountain there. I'm pretty certain that wasn't here when we came down yesterday. Yeah.
Small tree, yeah.
Small tree, yeah. Oh, that's great. I'm glad everyone's okay then. What will they do now?
Unload and fuel.
Fuel. It's fuel.
In 30,000 liter. Wow. This side have a place.
Yeah.
This one already
dead, yeah? If it was somewhere else?
Just now coming crane.
Crane, right.
Which country you come?
Australia.
Oh, Australia.
Yeah, pleased to meet you, sir. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
What is your name?
Assis.
Assis.
Yes,
Assis. Pleased to meet you. My name is Alec. I'm very glad everyone's okay.
Okay.
Alright, it's pretty crazy. Yeah. Anyway, everyone's alright. They're gonna get a train. They're gonna get a crane to lift it out. So yeah, we'll keep rolling. Good night, sir. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm fine.
That's
How
good.
are you? Fine.
Good.
Excellent.
Good day today?
Yeah.
Yeah. We went to Hile.
Hello.
Today, Ilam. Yeah. No problem. All good.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir. You have a great day. Eh?
Welcome. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. See you. Namaste. How you going, man? Australia? No, this tempo from India. Namaste, how are you? Namaste, my friend, how are you?
Deep rock rated in the until I'm on top of the headphones on my dome nodding, humming something melodic, rather off on. So you know my hit.
Alright, so we're down out of the mountains, back onto that main highway that heads east. through Nepal. Still about 150 k's from Ilam, so yeah, it's 2:30. We're not going to make it there today, so probably drive for another couple of hours and then start looking for somewhere to stay tonight. It's been a good morning though. Enjoy the drive through the mountains. It's always fun.
When it comes to her, you better keep it sealed. Don't you dare say a single word, or I will strike you where it feels. You think that using her would get to me?
Right, so we were just coming out of that town where we turned onto the main road, and we're driving along, and I spotted something by the river, and I think that's what they call a ghat, where they burn the bodies of the deceased. And I think there's one burning now. Yeah, so that there, fairly certain, is a someone who's passed away and they're now being cremated. It's on the banks of the river. It's pretty amazing, really. It's the beauty of having your own vehicle, you know. You see these things and you're just able to stop and check it out.
Right.
How are you, man?
Yeah.
Yeah? Photo?
This side. Lo.
Yeah? Photo? Ready?
Ready.
So we were just speaking to that guy. That is definitely a burning body. This is also a sacred river. Yeah, it's just in this little town we're passing through, and spotted it, and it's cool. Well, we better keep going.
And if you're right, then you're in trouble, D. 'Cause I won't break, no, I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
Namaste, sir. Alright, we've arrived somewhere at Hotel Heaven. Alright, so as went and checked the rooms out, and they're really nice, apparently. They were a bit out of our price range, the price they gave us, but yeah, then we sort of had a talk to them. They asked what our budget was, and they said they'd be happy to accommodate us for yeah, what we normally spend. So that's, yeah, really nice of them. Stoked. I didn't really feel like going back to the city and hunting around in the dust and the noise, so stoked to be staying here. Hotel Heaven in Biratnod. Biratnod? I'll check that out and let you know. Oh yeah, and the name of this place is Bertamod, East Nepal. So.